Okay guys, I almost forgot to start the video, but luckily I see I wasn't recording. Now what I want to do is show you my balances before I start a series of trades, okay? And I want to show you that I want to increase my Bitcoin, but I'm going to go a little bit around the houses to get it, okay? So let me just first show you what I've identified. I came up to this bell icon and I came down to this trade here, which interested me. It's a true arbitrage, okay? I'll explain to you what true arbitrage is. Basically, it's going to do a trade where I don't have to do any withdrawing. It's going to buy and sell on separate exchanges and the robot will do everything for me. So let's just have a look at the trade first. So I can see that the two exchanges involved is HitBTC and Livecoin, okay? Now, what I want to do is I want to show you my balances before I do this trade, okay? Because I can see that I don't have enough dollars, okay, on HitBTC. So I'm going to have to get some dollars into HitBTC, and I'm going to show you how to do that by using some Bitcoin that I've got. So here, if I look now, if I come to HitBTC, as you can see, I've got 11 cents of dollars, which is not enough to do the trade. And if I come up to here, I've got some Bitcoin here. I've got this 0.0089 Bitcoin, okay? And I'm going to use this blue tool, and I'm going to do that in another video because I'm going to do a series of videos here to show you. But I wanted to show you my Bitcoin value there. So it's 0.0089, okay? And I've also got a bit of Bitcoin down here on Livecoin, which is 0.01. Okay, so I'm going to use some of this Bitcoin now, and I'll show you in the next videos some of this Bitcoin to get the coins that I need to carry out this trade. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.